How was your exam? Okay, very good. Okay, so some portion your last chapter left. Okay, listen me carefully. Today I talk about the project. Okay, just your project 5 marks project. So just write down within 10 to 15 pages. Okay, not more than 15. Okay, so minimum 10 pages. Yes. So your topic is consumer awareness. Consumer awareness. Okay. In your syllabus, three topics is there. One is the sustainable development, another is the social issues, and from economics it is consumer awareness. So any of you know that one? What do you mean by consumer, or who are called the consumer? Yes, but what is the definition? Okay, when we buy some goods or services, or we pay money for some services or goods, then this particular person is called the consumer. Clear? Yes, person who buys things or uses services, and using these services he has to pay to the shopkeeper or anywhere else. This person is called the consumer. Yes. Okay, now listen. Okay. You use your school practical copy. Okay, first. And why you are recording the call? This class also loaded in the YouTube. Okay, so in the first page you write down your name. Okay, contact your school if it is possible. They said if you possible to come to school, then you can buy. Okay, or you can take these practical copies. First, contact with school. Clear? Okay, thank you. Now listen, in the first page you write down your name, class, roll number, subject, topic. So now you have known roll number, right? So when from the board send your roll number, then you can write your roll number. Okay, now you leave the blank for this. What I said, Dia, contact with school. If it is possible to come to school, then you take the copy. Okay. Yes, Nordin, I discussed this one. Okay. In the first page, you can write down your name, class, roll number, subject, topic. Listen all carefully. Clear? First page complete. Next. Ognivo, for SST only you have to do only one project, and this time now it's from economics. Okay. Yes, you need the practical file for this one. So first contact with school. Yes, only one. Now come to the second page. Second page, you take the certificate. Okay, in the second page you arrange the certificate. Clear? First page your introduction, second page certificate. Done? Certificate means your school provide one certificate, na? School name, write down your name, then roll number. Okay, then there is a signature of the principal, signature of class teacher, that means this subject teacher. Clear, Norin? You don't take the certificate from other subject. This page also available in school. Okay, listen. If it is not possible to come to school, okay, then you just first contact with school. Now you start in practical, write down this project on the practical papers. Okay, if it is not possible to come to school and take this file, then after just write down in the practical pages, and if it is possible then you can arrange these sheets under the your school practical copy, otherwise or another one. Clear, all of you? Yes or no? Yes, now I come to the main topic. Listen, what is the important for you? Okay, so first page your introduction, next page certificate, and certificate also available in school, so don't worry. Now just if you want to leave these two pages, okay, after completion your project, then you also can arrange these pages. So don't worry about this one, about the certificate. So now come to the topic. So first one is introduction. Write down all the points. Student, write down all the points. Introduction. So what is your topic? Write down consumer awareness. Consumer awareness. Done? Then under the introduction, first point is who is a consumer? Who is a consumer? Done? Okay. Next point. Consumer exploitation. Consumer exploitation, that means how the consumer exploited by the seller, by the shopkeepers. Consumer exploitation. exploitation. Yes, this also be the under the introduction. Okay, so our introduction is complete. Only here write down who is the consumer and consumer exploitation, then complete. Then come to the next point, problem faced by consumers. Problem faced by consumer. Okay, student, listen me. Now you just note down the points. After completion this one, I discuss all the points how you can write. Okay. Okay, thank you. So first, who is a consumer under the introduction and consumer exploitation. Next one, come to the next point, problem faced by consumers. Problem faced by consumers. So under this point, you have sub points. Okay. So first one, write down black marketing. Black marketing. Done. Next point, defective weight measures. Defective weight measures. Third, too many brands. TOO2. Okay, too many brands. Black marketing, defective weight measures, too many brands. Fourth point, misleading packing. Misleading packing. And number 5, misleading packing. Number 5, adulteration. ADULTERATION. Introduction and problem faced by consumer are two. Yes, Shatadeep. Two are the separate. Okay. So first one, black marketing, defective weight measures, too many brands, misleading packing, adulteration. Completed all of you? Okay, very good. Come to the next point. Consumer Protection Act. Consumer Protection Act. Okay, this act started from 1986. I will come later for discussing these all the points. Okay, so Consumer Protection Act. Under this point, write down some sub point. Objectives of Consumer Protection Act. and features. Okay. Consumer protection, under the Consumer Protection Act, write down the objectives of Consumer Protection Act and features. Okay. Next, write down consumer rights. Next point, consumer rights. Consumer rights. Under consumer rights, write down some sub points. Number 1, right to safety. Right to safety. Number 1, right to safety. Number 2, right to information. Right to information. Number 3, right to choose. Right to choose. Number 4, right to seek redressal. Right to seek redressal. S-E-E-K, seek, and redressal is different word. R-E-D-R-E-S-S-A-L. R-E-D-R-E-S-S-A-L. Okay. So right to seek redressal. Why all of you students disturb to others? Why are you calling to other students? Listen it carefully. I don't repeat this one again. I will not. Okay. So right to safety, right to information, right to choose, right to seek redressal. Next 5, right to be right to be heard. H-E-A-R-D. Yes, redressal, not in, yes, correct this spelling. Shodadeep, I discuss all these topics, so now just you wait for this. Just write down what I said. Okay. Right to be heard. H-E-A-R-D. Okay. Right to be heard. Next 6.6. Right to consumer education. Right to consumer education. Done, all of you? Okay. Now come to the next point, consumer forums. Consumer forums. Okay. Under this point there is a no sub points. Consumer forums, F-O-R-U-M-S, forums. Come to the next point, consumer movement. Consumer movement. Under consumer movement, write down some sub points. First one, objectives. Second one, reasons. Third one, achievements. Under the consumer movement, first one, objectives. 2 reasons, 3 achievements. Done. Okay, come to next point, responsibility of a consumer. Responsibility of a consumer. Okay, last one, you have to write some just a few lines about ISI, capital ISI, mark, 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 capital ISI, mark. Next, agmark, AG, MARK. Then come to conclusion. AGMARK, one is ISI mark and one is agmark. Capital A, then small g, MARK. Done up to this? Just write down few lines about ISI mark and agmark. Okay, next come to the conclusion. Under the conclusion, what you learn about the consumer from the consumer awareness, you are aware or your family are aware about this type of the problems when you face, and also as a student you have some responsibility to give the some information, like some illiterate people or who don't know about the what is the consumer rights. Okay, as a student you have to inform to others to be a this consumer, after the next whatever when they buy anything they be a conscious about that. Just only write down this one under the conclusion. Yes, under conclusion just you write down your own words. Okay, Nordin, you write down under the conclusion what you learn from the consumer awareness. Are you aware or your family they are aware about this type of the awareness? And as a student, okay, and in the future as a future citizen, okay, you have the greater responsibility to inform the other people or illiterate people who are don't know about what is the consumer awareness, what are the consumer forums, what are the consumer rights. So as a student you have to inform them, okay, so when they buy something they not be cheated by any shopkeeper, or if maybe they cheated then they can easily go to the consumer court and they can get the justice. Just write down your own words. Then last part, all of you know bibliography completed. Also you can give some pictures like Jago Grahak Jago or any pictures which is related to consumer awareness, consumer rights, so you can give some picture, so it will be more presentable. Because what are our objectives to doing this type of project? Main is the presentation, what I present. After then, what is the reason for doing this type of the project? So class Pine, 10 Pine, all of you write down these points. Okay, now I will not give the last date of submission. Just try to complete within 2 or 3 weeks. Okay, don't take more than. Next class, I will be informed about that. Yes. Okay, so now I discuss. Okay, today we have no more sufficient time, so okay, I start to discuss. So who is a consumer? Blue pen, you can use both blue and black pen. Black pen use as a write down the points, or under this you can write down, under the point you can write down in the blue pen. Don't use the green and red, otherwise if you try to design with sketch pen like any color, violet, okay, brown, you can, but don't use, remember that one, don't use the red and green pen. Now, okay, so who is the consumer? Consumer, just listen this one, okay, not need to write down. Okay, and from your book, last chapter, consumer rights, you can all this information, you can all this information. Otherwise you have the internet, so from there also you can get the information. So who is a consumer? Consumer is a person who buy goods and services, or for buying these goods and services he have to pay something to seller or shopkeeper, so this person is called consumer. Okay, now come to consumer exploitation. That means how consumer, or we as a consumer, how we exploited by the sellers or shopkeepers. So see, some shopkeepers, they don't give the right information about the product, okay, or there are also this type of the seller also there who sell the expired date product, or who uses the defective weight measures, okay. So these are, by these they can, or we exploit by the shopkeeper. Clear what is the consumer exploitation? Yes, these are write down in short, because only 10 to 15 pages you have to this one completed, and with this 10 to 15 pages you have the introduction, your introduction page, then certificate, then bibliography, conclusion. So including all these 10 to 15, not more than 15. So write down 5 or 6 line about the consumer exploitation. So all of you clear what is the consumer exploitation? Give me response. consumer exploitation means how we can exploited by the shopkeeper. That means shopkeeper, they can they sell some expiring dates, expired products, okay, or they by anyhow they give us the rotten vegetables, or they uses the defective weight measures, okay. So these, by this they can exploited us, okay. Okay, today we have no more time. The next class I will discuss all these points, so don't worry. And also you just read your last chapter. I hope all of you get all the information what I give as a point, okay. So student, for today I will end up here. So for today, thank you students. So no one have any enquiries, okay. So all of you, bye.